Hey folks, how's it going? This is Marcus Launche with It Cajun Style. Tell you one thing, we set 2020 out with a bang. As you can see behind me, I'll show you the damage. I'll say it's an opportunity for improvements, bigger and better than what we had before. Let's check it out. We ended up with a broken radius rod, bent trailing arm, broke the shock. We flipped it over, rolled it back right, drug it for about 2 miles. Then we actually had to get an excavator to get it out of off the trails out the park. I have the video that we uploaded of when we had all this damage done. You want to check it out here, right here, or I'll also have a link down below. Check it out. Sunday fun day.
You having fun?
Hell yeah, gotta get it done. Pretty bad when you gotta use a wheelbarrow or a shovel. Get the mud off the bike.
Yeah.
It's so wet.
Because there's only about 400 pounds of it caked in there.
Probably more than that. 400 pounds per wheel. Speaking of wheels, we have the ones in the back seat we got to get out too.
So then just roll them out.
Yep.
They're probably stuck together.
Watch yourself, mate. Where's the door?
Right there.
I don't want to catch the door. Watch yourself.
Stuck to the seat. Bye. Right in the water. Yeah. I leave it thing that heavy.
Yep.
Second load of dirt off the bike. Now I guess it's time that we're gonna start pressure washing. See if we can get the rest off. All right, bike's all clean. I'm not. Now we're gonna have to get it off the trailer into the shop. Check it out. It's rolling on the hub. That's fine. I know it's saying it's rolling. It shouldn't say it's trailer hook. Actually, it's just cutting into the wood. Yeah? Yeah. Just jack it up and put it on something. Try it and see. what I want to do.
And run a strap and roll on the jet.
I got the blocks right there. You got room for that? I just want to get that box out from underneath there. We could have locked it in, but took it against the wall on the back. It only fall once. Yeah. Can't hurt it no worse than it already is. You pass it underneath that
Under the transmission?
yeah, transmission underneath that prop shaft right there. Alright. Where you at? There. It's gonna slide back to the narrowest point there. Let's see. Let me try it right here and see. Yeah, that'll be fine right there. It's gonna slip back as you tighten it up.
Alright, it ain't going nowhere now.
Alright.
You wanna come up with some more?
No, that's fine right there. We can put the that T-handle in the jack if we have to steer it.
It's in there. Maxed out.
Move it to the back of the shop.
So you got
All I need. Don't pull it too much, too far. You might have to put 8 in there on the brakes. Might have to get on the brakes.
let me get in there.
All right.
In case it does roll, it's me in there, not him. See what I'm talking about?
Good.
Roll down.
Come forward a little bit. We'll lay a piece of plywood down. We'll try and roll down that. Pull the back side. All right. Kick off. You'll want to roll now. Turn back this way a little bit. Stay on the brakes. Get this piece of plywood in place. Yeah, but you rolled all the way up, and we're not off yet. Get it off the plywood.
Yeah, you got some more you can go.
There it is. Alright. The shop floor now. It should move pretty easy on the shop floor.
Who's here?
That'll work right there. Gives us enough room.
Because his is probably still hooked up.
All right, we finally got it in the shop, got it in place. The next step is we're gonna start tearing it apart and see how bad it is. And see what we're gonna need for the repairs.